Good evening, Dr. Kumar Dev Arvind Rajamanya, Head of Orthopedics, Department of Orthopedic Surgery, Astor Hospital, Whitefield. Knee replacement helps us achieve pain-free, improved gait or walking pattern, improved walking distance and better pace, all with better confidence.
Hello everyone, this is Sanchari. I am resident of Whitefield, Bangalore for over a decade now. Around June of last year, that is 2023, I did consult Dr. Kumar Dev Arvind Rajamanya of Astor Hospital, Whitefield for the knee pain and discomfort that my mother was facing for a very long period of time. Doctor diagnosed it to be a grade 4 osteoarthritis and suggested for both bilateral knee replacement. Though we were hesitant in the beginning, the doctor assured that the operation would be done with lots of safety measures and precautions taken. He did advise to go for all the needed tests beforehand and ensured that there are no major risks involved there. And we got admitted, like my mother got admitted to Astor CMI Sahakan Nagar for the operation, and the procedure went really smooth, and it was performed by the Dr. Kumar Dev Arvind Rajamanya. My mother stayed in the hospital for 7 days, and post that she returned home, and then there was a physiotherapy session of around 2 months which helped her regain her strength and the limb strength of walking. But after that, she has considerably improved on her posture and her gait, and she can perform most of the activities on her own. Previously, she had a very limited mobility in terms of walking around or doing her own stuff. Now she can perform all her activities on her own, thanks to the doctor. A very significant thing that I would like to mention is that throughout the operation, the pre-operation, the operation days that we spent in the hospital, and the post-operation days, Dr. Kumar Dev has been very, very friendly and supportive and has been reachable in all times. So no matter whether it's a night time when I called him or messaged him with any concerns or any queries, he promptly replied, and he makes sure that his patients feel safe and assured throughout the process, and that's a very important thing. So that touch kind of makes him a little more approachable, and I would definitely recommend Dr. Kumar Dev Arvind Rajamanya for any of the orthopedic problems that you can have. And now it's been almost 6 months that my mother underwent the procedure. Now she is doing really well. Even now she is under medication as prescribed by the doctor, and the follow-up visits, and in all of these the doctor makes sure that he tracks the progress, and through x-rays and checking on her movements and things like that. So overall it has been a very comfortable journey for our entire family, and it would not have been possible if not for the great infrastructure of Astor CMI hospitals, and also the support and the dedication which Dr. Kumar Dev has shown in treating a very senior citizen. I mean, it was a very critical operation, and my mother was in a very severe stage of osteoarthritis, but Dr. Kumar Dev ensured that he did his best, and the patient recovered well in time. So thank you, doctor. Thank you for all the support, all the help that you have done, and huge thanks to you for ensuring that my mother is now leads a far happier life. I mean, for any osteoarthritis related problems, I would definitely recommend Dr. Kumar Dev Arvind Rajamanya. Thank you, doctor. I wish you all the best.
আমি মমতা দাস, আমার বয়স 68+। আমি বহু বছর ধরে অস্টিওআর্থ্রাইটিস রোগে আক্রান্ত ছিলাম। শেষ দিকে আর হাঁটতে পারছিলাম না, ভীষণ যন্ত্রণা হতো। তাই আমি ব্যাঙ্গালোরে ট্রিটমেন্টের জন্য গেছিলাম। ওখানে ডক্টর কুমার দেব অরবিন্দের কাছে আমি ট্রিটমেন্ট করেছিলাম। উনি আমাকে অ্যাডভাইস দিয়েছিলেন বোথ নি রিপ্লেসমেন্টের জন্য। তাই আমি অ্যাস্টার হসপিটাল ব্যাঙ্গালোরে ভর্তি হয়েছিলাম 6 দিনের জন্য। ওখানে আমার নি অপারেশন হয়েছিল, বোথ নি অপারেশন হয়েছিল এবং সাকসেসফুলি অপারেশন হয়েছিল। এখন আমি সম্পূর্ণ সুস্থ আছি। 6 মাস হলো আমার অপারেশন হয়ে গেছে। এখন আমি ডক্টরের ট্রিটমেন্টে আছি, কিন্তু আমি সুস্থ আছি, নিজের কাজ নিজে করতে পারি, নর্মাল মানুষের মতো চলাফেরা করতে পারি। এর জন্য আমি ডাক্তার বাবুকে থ্যাংক ইউ জানাই। থ্যাংক ইউ ডক্টর, আমাকে নিউ লাইফ ফিরিয়ে দেওয়ার জন্য। থ্যাংক ইউ এগেন। বাই, নমস্কার নেবেন।